Tell us about your spiritual journey. How did it start? All of a sudden, not what, 30
No, it
years
did
ago?
not start, not all of a sudden. Actually, my spiritual journey and my film career started at the same time.
Hmm.
I met my master the very first year of my entering into the film line. The
Hmm.
first master,
Okay.
he is no more. I met him the very first year of my film career. And thankfully, because then I was so grounded and I was so guided by the divine plan. I
Hmm.
did not go haywire. I didn't go mad with whatever success I got. It's very difficult to handle success also.
So, were you already aware that you need that kind of spiritual guidance, or it just happened to be, or
It
were
just
you
happened.
seeking? It just
It
happened?
absolutely just happened. Actually, my first master, Prabhuji, was my husband. My husband's a lawyer. So he was my husband's client.
Hmm.
And achanak se, my husband took me to their place. I said, you come along with me. And I was with him at that point. He had an appointment there. And I was just dragged in there. I don't know how.
Hmm.
So when destiny is supposed to do something for you, you just are pulled and pushed, period, without you thinking.
Hmm.
That's how my whole journey started from there.
Acha, acha, acha. So it's been what, 30 years now, you said?
Yeah,
20 some.
32 years. Yeah.
Wow, wow,
Wow.
long time.
So over 3 decades.
It has helped you in your journey at every
Oh
step,
man,
right?
not just helped, it has transformed me from inside.
Hmm.
I'm a completely different human being today.
Hmm.
Ah,
I mean, what has happened to me since the past 30 years, you all don't know me before that, but
Hmm.
the shift is monumental. I can't even,
wow.
yeah, it is
Aren't we
monumental.
all looking for that spiritual shift?
Yeah, we are all, but nobody wants to walk the path. That is the
Yeah.
sad thing.
I can I take one short break? I think आपका ये headphones लगे हैं क्या?
नहीं,
नहीं
ये
नहीं.
मेरा
अच्छा, somebody's headphone, it's rubbing against something, so it
no,
makes
I'm not wearing
noise.
it.
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. तुम्हारा है
I'm not,
चेतना क्या? That
इस
might.
पे आ रहा है
Can you
क्या?
keep? हाँ, थोड़ा इसको थोड़ा दूर कर लो अपने से.
आपके साथ कान की ये बाली को लग रहा है वो माइक जो है ना आपके इयरिंग को लग रहा है.
Somewhere it's making some noise.
अभी देखो.
हाँ, this is better. So
Okay.
keep it
I
away. Try
won't.
to keep
Okay.
microphone.
I won't.
Hello नहीं ज़्यादा. Okay. All right. Back to action. You want to
So,
go?
since we are taking a break, can I take that line again because I only introduced
Which
as
line?
Smita? So I'll just say, please welcome Smita Jaikar.
हाँ, वो बाद में भी कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay. All right. You want to go, Chetna? You had a question?
Yes, I was just going to go to connecting the spiritual to the automatic writing.
Yes.
So,
Go.
is there a connection?
No, start with
हाँ,
the question, na?
Acha, okay.
Mm-hmm.
No, I was asking before recording,
Oh, अच्छा, अच्छा,
just
अच्छा.
for my this thing.
that is an area of spirituality. That is an
Okay.
area of
Okay.
spirituality. So if you're going on the spiritual journey down, then you can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Action.
So, Smita, you talked about spirituality and you said that spirituality has changed you in many ways. While reading about your bio, I also came across something called automatic writing, which I had no clue about. How are they connected and how you got into that automatic writing?
Uh,
Let's hear from
autom- automatic writing was given to me as a boon by my first master. He just touched me here and he said, "Go do it." I said, "What do you mean you go do it? I mean, it's not something that is."
तो
So he said, "You take a pen and paper, and every day just sit with the pen and paper. Your hand will start moving on its own."
Oh,
I got fed up
wow.
of it. I tried for about 6 8 months. I said, I went back to him. I said, "Baba, mere se nahi hota. I can't do it." I couldn't connect only with that other realm. You know that other realm.
so can you explain what automatic writing is before
Yeah,
we
I'll
go
come to it.
on?
I'll come to it. So let me finish and I'll come to it. So he said, "You got to do it. You just do it." So when your master says you got to do it, which means he probably saw that I had some role to play in that. So I sat again, and one fine day I got that somebody started talking to me, and I could pen it all down. It was just going on writing. Then I went and asked him, "Is this what it is?" He said, "Yes, this is what it is. Continue."
Wow.
And so it is like it's a sadhana है वो तो उसको develop करनी पड़ती है. Okay, now what is automatic writing? Let me tell you.
Hmm.
I'm a medium. So
Hmm.
I can connect to the souls who have passed over. Okay. So why do you need to connect to souls who have passed over? Is because we need to have a closure. Many a times it just so happens that people die, suicidal deaths होते हैं, कोई accidents होते हैं. Even if they're old, like they could be in coma for the longest time and last bye-byes नहीं हुए हैं. Guilt होता है, people hear and souls who have passed over, guilt होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जहाँ पे उनको closure नहीं मिलता. And it is very essential to get a closure because वो जो बोलते हैं हम आत्मा को गति मिलनी चाहिए, it has to transition.
Hmm.
Otherwise it gets stuck in the earth space for a very long time.
Wow.
So
So
you get to talk, or you get to closure this with the souls that are close to you. Anyone else outside of that sphere?
people who come to me,
Hmm.
people who come to me are random. I have no idea who they are and I don't even know the soul whom they are connecting to.
Oh, so you connect with any soul if you set your mind to it.
I don't, it's not mind related, it's more energy related. My
Okay.
mind is not working at that point in time.
Okay.
So it's a three-way conversation. It's like you, me, and the person and the soul passed over. So I can sense it. I can see also many a times, उन्होंने क्या पहना है, and I can sense it. Like I'll tell you one incident where this lady had come and she wanted to connect with her husband. And as soon as I connected to the soul, I felt a lot of body pain. So I asked her, I said, I'm feeling extreme body pain. How did he die? So he said he was an architect and he was on a site. पैर फिसल के कुछ 17th floor या 20th floor से नीचे गिर गए.
Wow.
So obviously there must be pain because the bones must have broken or जो भी हुआ होगा. So these are the kind of signals I get. Then another case I had, another lady who had come to me, she wanted to find out how her father was. मेरे को कुछ नहीं चाहिए, just मेरे को पूछना है कि how is my father? I just want to know that much. I don't want to know. So her name was Gulnaz. So when I connected to her father, all that was coming was just Gul, Gul, Gul. आगे कुछ जा ही नहीं रहा था. So I said, I thought the soul is not ready to come, or or maybe I'm not connected properly. क्या हो गया? So I told her, I said, Gulnaz, it's just coming, Gul, 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 आगे ही नहीं जा रहा है. She burst out crying, and I didn't know what the hell happened because I didn't know where I thought I made a mistake. क्या डर लगता था. Suddenly started howling, crying, bawling. I said, what happened? I gave her water and everything. So शांत किया. I said, what happened? You see, my father is to stammer.
So
wow.
So that Gulnaz came, he always used to, Gul बोलते थे, फिर Gulnaz आता था.
अच्छा.
I mean, कभी ये सारी चीजें validation, this kind of validations.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Okay.
So I have had amazing experiences with auto writing.
Okay. So I have a question. So I have been laughed at by many people because I tell them that sometimes when I am going through a very, very difficult time, I see my father because I was very close to him. He's my mentor. I am what he made me. So I'm totally what he taught me and he made of me. So sometimes when I'm going through very tough times, I'll just sit in a corner and middle of the night, I actually can see him. So people like look at me with this belief कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? How can you see? So is it possible to see, or is it just my subconscious mind creating an image?
He's trying to make contact with you.
Okay.
How long ago did he pass away?
He departed about 18 years ago.
18 years ago.
Yeah, but he still comes to me.
Around. So there must be something else also where he needs a closure.
Okay.
You have to let him go.
That's interesting.
Okay. So that's my issue. Actually, I can't let people go. I have a big separation issue. So I guess that.
So that must be coming out from some childhood trauma of yours.
Yes, it is. It is connected to that.
Yeah. So because he has to move on also.
Okay.
So you can.
So it's not a good thing to keep calling him.
It's not.
You've got to at some point in time allow him to.
So,
okay.
I want to continue because it's so fascinating. This
It is
topic, this
very
fascinating.
amazing. Yes.
I won't go into my own beliefs and things, but what I want to know from you is, or from your experiences. So, how often are you able to connect with the souls that people ask you to connect with, and how often you don't connect with the souls?
Well, okay, I can connect with anybody anytime.
But are those souls that, as you see, as they say in Hinduism, people reincarnate, right? So are these souls not going into another body, or they still
The
roam
soul,
around for
a soul, by and large, to take next life, it takes him about 25 to 30 years.
Acha.
Cases of reincarnation, where from your last birth you've come into this birth, like immediate past birth to this birth, are rare.
Hmm.
So we hear about rare cases of reincarnation where they remember their immediate past birth.
Hmm.
Now, if we all start remembering our immediate past birth, if we immediately came back from the last birth to this birth, and if most souls start remembering what the hell happened and with whom and all that, it will be impossible for us to live.
Ah, yes.
I see.